Yep. Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome yet again to another video. I don't know what I'm doing, but maybe I'm just excited. All right, so I'm starting this vlog, right? And I decided to carry you guys along on what this week is going to look like, guys. I am going for my first wedding here in England. Okay, I don't know why I'm being dramatic. But really, guys, I'm going for a wedding, and I'm going to, just make a vlog and put it out there for you guys to watch and enjoy. Okay, so today is Monday, right? The wedding is on. When are we going again? Okay, I'm going for a wedding. So today is Monday, right? And I need to take my life seriously. I'm going to the library today to sort out some work stuff, right, that has been hanging forever. So I'm going to the library today to sort that out. Then from there, I think I should be going to the train station to pick out my ticket, because I already got my tickets from my phone, online. So yeah, I'm going to go to the train station once I'm done at the library. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. And if there are any other things that I feel should go on this vlog, why not sort it out today? And the week is about to be lit. I'm just going to be vlogging what my week looks like till this particular day. All right, I'm going to put it out for you guys to watch and enjoy. So let's go to the live. So just sit back, relax, and yeah, watch me take you through my week in a vlog. All right. So you guys, I just got to the hospital and I'm heading towards the library, and it is crazy hot. It is so hot. Can you go see how my face is shining? Left my house to do at the library, so I'm going to my work to speak to my manager if she can sort it out.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
Hi guys, so I've been able to sort the old library-ish, and I'm at the canteen now to eat something before I go back home. So already I have this corner with me, and so guys, I got here now and I realized that they've stopped giving us free food. So I might trust here. They give us free food, we eat free food. If you're a staff, you eat free food, obviously. But then I got here now and then everything has changed. What is going on? Who doesn't like free things?
Just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feel I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
Hi guys. Hello. It's Wednesday today, and so I'm just going to head out to pick my ticket at the train station and head back home. If I eventually get something for my bride, I'll let you guys know. I'll carry you guys along, but I really need to sort it out because like the wedding is on 19th. Yes, it's on the 19th, and I have to sort myself out. I need to get something for my bride, right? I really don't know what to get her, but then I will find my way and sort it out. So if it appears that I'm still looking sleepy, I haven't really had enough sleep. Currently it is 2. I woke up 12 when I got back from my night shift. I mean, I don't know if that's enough sleep really, but I don't think it is. So I've still got sleep on my face, and yeah, when I get back I'll come and continue with my sleep. And if I can't, then I go ahead with the day. Well, I really find it difficult to sleep like during the day, but I try. I mean, the first sleep that comes after that night shift is like the deal. Like that's like the height of the sleep that I'm going to sleep for the entire day. I won't really go back to my bed to like start sleeping all over. Do you get what I mean? Yeah, so let's go to the train station, guys. Okay, I'm starting to talk too much. It was when I started my YouTube channel I realized that I talk a lot. Okay guys, let's go to the train station. All right. My YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Friday, and then we're heading. Is the bus here? No, the bus is not here, so don't stress me out. And I'm headed to Barcelona for the wedding. Going to celebrate love. So how do I look, guys? guys, we're here in Barcelona to celebrate love. I eventually saw the bride. Why are you doing that? I eventually saw the bride and she's so cute. Like she looks so amazing. Like hello guys. I already told you guys that this week is about to be lit, and this is the whole this is everything. Like I've had fun since I got here. Like I saw my mates. It was like a mini reunion thereabout, and I mean Barcelona is cool. Like I like the environment and everything. I've had enough to eat, you guys. I say hello to Fumi. This is like the dancing baby of my set. I haven't seen her in like a long time.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. Mixed emotions, the first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better.
Just finished having what did we have? I don't know if we had a rishi, like it was just so yeah, it was a lot of fun. Yeah. It was a buffet service, so like you just had to go there and then whatever it is you wanted to. It was just I mean hello to my camera, Ewa baby. Hello. Hey guys, so I'm on my way back home. The wedding was really like cool, and I enjoyed myself. Oh my god, this sun is just sent out to like spoil all my videos today. Like what is going on? That water right there, you guys. So I was so thirsty, and then I was quite thirsty, and then I've been complaining that I wanted to drink water, and I already got on the bus. The other one left actually, and all of a sudden, like I just saw her back and was like, what water for me? Like I don't know. The other is so she's so sweet, so sweet. So you guys, the sun is just like directly in my face. I don't know if I mentioned it, like I'm working nights tonight, and like I'm working tonight basically. And to me at 5:50 going home. I just had to like turn off for a second, like I just had to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comment section if you did. The video is getting chaotic, people. So guys, I'll catch you in my next vlog. Ensure that you like the video, yeah, and let me know if there's a particular video you want me to film, and I'll be glad to do that. Bye guys.
Every moment tonight